What's going on, guys? Welcome to Po Boys. In this video there's going to be an FZ09 wreck, which really sucks, but everyone's okay, so that's good going into it, but the footage is pretty dramatic. And an ad that we ended up filming, and shout out to the homeless guy that ended up just meeting us there and wanted to help us film. So you're gonna notice in the videos things are gonna change up a little bit because we actually have a cameraman and editor. I said that at the end of last video, but some of y'all didn't watch long enough in order to see. I've been paying attention to the analytics because some of y'all have been clicking off before the end of the video. As long as we can get everyone on the same page, it's gonna take a little bit of time, but please bear with us as we get there. But we want to get to the point where we can upload a lot more and have a lot of good content. But we're gonna be working on the cars a lot more soon, so you can look forward to that as well. So thank y'all very much for bearing with us while we're doing this. And don't forget to send fan mail or stickers to the P.O. box as well. Enjoy the video. So the folks down at Tobacco were kind enough to send a set of their riding jeans in, and I wanted to give them a test.
There, so look, you need some real riding pants. Look at that, Tobacco.
What the heck? All right.
Real riding pants.
Well, let's put them on.
Put them on.
I want to do a review on these Tobacco pants. I'll go ahead and send you the link of them right here. I want to give you guys a review, and what better review to do post-style than wheelies? So these Tobacco jeans are actually pretty nice. The breathability of them is actually fantastic. Durability, I feel fabulous doing this right now. And I'm also doing a wheelie. Oh my gosh, this is actually kind of tough to do. The Kevlar and the denim is really nice. It actually feels really comfy. There's a lot of aeration in the front of the pants, so you have a whole lot of breathing room. Oh yeah. Overall quality of them is nice. They feel great while riding. They're long, so they fit you. They fit me perfect. The sizing charts literally is to spec. Oh. Oof. All right, so me and Ian met up with Joe. We just got some bad news that a buddy's bike was wrecked, so he's gonna lead us to him. We got a truck and trailer, and we're gonna go perform pickup squad. We're following Joe. Ride safe. Man, it always sucks. He called me, he said he was fine, but his bike is laid down. He didn't do it, it was someone else, but the guy who was riding it's fine. It's that FZ09, man. I wanted to get it on GoPro. I rode that bike the other day and I was doing power wheelies, but not anymore. Supposedly I heard it's bad, but we're gonna go take a look at it. Follow Joe. You're so like dialed right now. Like you're so concentrated. You got a trailer on the back. Come in, Niner.
Coming from a rider myself, I know it. Like when I look in the rearview mirror, I don't want to see someone on my ass, so I like to stay a reasonable distance.
That is true. All right, well, we're about to find out. Oh, damn! Look at that trash can. Holy cow! I guess just park over there. Yeah, there's the bike. Hold on. It happens, man. This is just one of those things with riders that aren't familiar with bikes. Just fast bikes. That's why most people don't like fast bikes, and some people they're fine with just 600s and whatnot. Stuff like this.
Bro, I could cry. I could cry, dude.
Man.
This is my baby.
I'm just glad everyone's safe.
So what happened, you know how it whiskey throttles a lot. Well, you can have loose arms with this kind of bike. So he wheelied right here, dropped it, and his arms wasn't loose at the time he dropped it. So he wheelied again by accident, dropped it, and slid into the dumpster.
He looped it into the dumpster. The bottom of the bike hit the dumpster. That's the back tire. We flipped the dents from it.
You're fine, whoever was riding? Damn, as long as you're fine.
You made that dent?
Yeah.
Oh, that's oil.
It didn't come out till we picked it up.
Oh.
My baby's fault, dude. Fortune dent.
Well, it actually isn't attached at all. The other one is.
My baby. I thought I'd be the one to wreck it.
I think I'd rather have somebody else eat my bike into a dumpster, you know?
Yeah?
Me and him thought it was like way worse than it was. From where we were, that looked like he died.
Yeah, well, that dumpster was a good part. Like,
Yeah. You just replaced the rear sets on this thing too.
I know.
Pinch the exhaust right there.
Yeah, that's supposed to be under this.
Oh boy.
It's under the.
All those exhaust pipes just bent like nothing. I'm gonna assume that's what hit the dumpster.
Hey, but my radiator's good? Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
On the bright side, this bike's really easy to pick up.
Oh wow. The oil pan is shattered. Oh my lord. That's the drain. The drain pin is inside of the oil pan. I don't think, if anything, it's just gonna be your oil pickup tube, and that's not gonna be that big of an issue. You're gonna need a new oil pan.
Forks are dead.
This is straight.
Oh, yeah, that's not straight. Man.
Forks are forks.
It was literally 4 days ago when I was riding this thing in Arkansas.
You know, if you start it up for like 3 seconds, it's not going to hurt anything, but I still wouldn't do it.
Oh, it would the way the oil pan is. And there's stuff
rods
like
probably
pushed
hurt.
up against the
Oh,
crank.
never mind. You
Dang.
can see what it sounds like without the header. I mean, without the...
Well, at least your header doesn't look bent at all.
Like I
The
said,
brute
it all
force.
hit like right here. Like all of it was tire. And then, but that guy that was on the bike when we were over here before I left, he said, y'all have these mechanical problems? And I said, yeah, but we'll be okay.
Where was this?
Next to this one,
Oh, they were just next to each other.
and it moved it back that far.
Good God.
I told you he wasn't going.
Oh no, wait. Are these the marks?
Whoa.
Yes.
He hit that hard.
These are the marks of at least the bike or something.
No, it was a little further up. That's right.
And then
The dumpster was further up.
something slid all the way. Holy crap.
Yeah. I'm telling you, from
How
my
are you
perspective, I thought he.
That's you're 6 what, Caleb? 6'1"? That's a big dumpster. That's a lot of power. That's about the only thing I can say.
That's not a heavy bike either.
That did.
Was that on the bike the whole time the dumpster was moving?
I don't know because I saw it and
Bro, I
kind of
really
looked away.
appreciate it.
And me and Ian learned subframes. You'll realize if it's bent once you get up to speed with it.
You have to speed and take your hands off the bars.
And then if the bike starts running, you know you got a bent subframe. That's what we did on a CBR. This is a torque. It's a singular torque. You just hop on it and then it just is there.
Torque way.
And there's no like throttle. It's just a yes or a no.
We can do the gasket on the bottom.
You can take the headers off, take the radiator off.
The fork and the muffler is going to be the expensive thing. That's not cheap.
The muffler is going to be expensive.
This side looks great. It's so
It didn't get
pretty.
hurt. Nothing happened to that.
But
side.
then, like, I come over here, I'm like, oh god, there's half a bike over there. And this kickstand is going great, dude.
You know all it is the mount that the kickstand goes on? Oh no, it's not.
Front.
There's almost no more.
Yeah, the LEDs are all broken off. Yeah, blinkers work. Just need a new taillight and then plug the wires back in. I bet you they probably got sheared off or something like that.
Oh, I got a question. Why does one of these forks have a thing right here and another one doesn't?
They did weird with these forks, where one of them is the compression and the other one's the rebuild.
I bet you they probably did rebuild at one point. I mean, this is a wheelie bike. That's what happens when you do wheelies. You got to rebuild your forks. Yeah, I guess we'll load her up. Man, I wish I was riding today.
Watch out, fool.
I never thought about that.
I got a strap.
Yeah, it might be a little tweaked. Honestly, you're not going to be able to tell until you actually ride it and get it up to speed.
It took me like years to figure out how to work these things. I hated these things until I figured them out. I'm still not good at it. It's fine. It's just to keep it up.
Yeah, just to keep it stable. Now just make sure nothing's going to fly off of it. And, oh, this is such a freaking nice bike, man. Yeah, you don't have to replace any of these covers, and that's happy.
I want to know what took the chunk out of the motor though.
You could tell the bike hit. This is exactly how the bike hit. Like this. You could see the tire mark on the trash can.
Hell, you can see the oil.
You could see exactly what bent the exhaust. This bent the exhaust. Yeah, well, I mean, there's the front tire.
Bro, if that's the back tire,
That's the front tire.
oh, you were in the air when you hit it.
He was like, he was.
Hey, it won't do no damn wheelies now.
It won't do anything right now.
Yeah, it looks good though. Do you have any important pieces?
You have dumpster on your helmet? No way, that's literally, oh my gosh.
Now rated, bitch.
Snell,
Oh,
that's what freaking kept you going. Dude, there's just more parts. There's oil on that. That's part of his engine case or oil pan. Some more broken plastic.
Boy, if you could feel the feeling I got when I saw him yeet that bitch in the dumpster, I was like, fuck, Caleb's not here to see it. I'm gonna have to tell him.
So that's part of your oil pan. It's part of your
This one's going
fairings.
like a jar.
It's part of your plastics. It's part of either your headlight or taillight.
I'm gonna put all this in a jar.
Yeah. Back to Caleb's house. We're gonna unload her and we're gonna start getting this thing done. We're gonna rebuild it. All right, now Joe's on the VFR. We got Caleb in the truck with us. We're bringing him back home. Another thing is, if a rider ever goes down and you have the opportunity to help, go do it, because I know he didn't want that to happen, and we're just helping out. Ian said, hey, I got nothing else to do, ride her down, help him out.
I had plenty to do.
Well, I was editing a video,
I
but
was shimming a dirt bike.
yeah, but we're freaking making sure everything's good, dude. Yep, just pull out in front of us, it ain't nothing. Oh.
What are you doing?
Don't pull out in front of him.
This is why you gotta be safe with motorcycles. because stuff like that happens all the time. That's literally just a regular day of riding. All right, well, I'm gonna finish editing the video that y'all will have seen a minute ago. If you wanna go see that and watch it, go right there. It's the video of me getting a brand new bike. All right, guys, so thank you very much for watching. Have a great one. Remember to freaking send it. Be great.